Please check the daily TTD latest updates after 15th of every month to get accurate date and time of Seva EDIP. Type TTD in the browser and click on Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam's official booking portal link. Then click on the login link as shown in the video. Then please enter the mobile number and click on Get OTP. Enter the received OTP in your mobile and click on Login button. It will redirect to the home page. Click on Online Services link and then select Seva EDIP option. It displays the instructions. So please read the instructions carefully and then click on the checkbox which say I have read and agreed to the instructions and then click on Continue button. It redirects to the page where you need to enter the general details like email address, city, state, country and PIN code. In the Pilgrim details section, there's an option to choose the number of persons. So maximum 2 person can apply for Seva EDIP from single login. So based on the persons, choose the option, the number of persons as 1 or 2 and then enter the name, age, gender and choose the ID proof as an Aadhaar or passport and then enter the ID number. Then click on Continue button. It redirects to the page which displays all the 4 Seva details. So let me take the first Seva. It is Tomala Seva. Tomala Seva is a daily ritual where the main deity, that is Mula Virat of Lord Venkatesaya, is adorned with floral and tulsi garlands. The reporting time is 3 am. The Seva timings, it starts at 3:30 am and lasts for about 30 to 45 minutes. And if you're coming about a ticket price, it's just 220 rupees per person. But the Seva availability, it is only on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So let me move on to the next Seva, that is Archana Seva. It is also known as Sahasranama Archana. It's a daily ritual where 1008 names of Lord Venkateshwara are recited. The reporting time is 4 am and the Seva timings starts at 4:30 am and lasts for about 30 to 45 minutes. The ticket price is 20 rupees per person and the Seva availability, it's also only on Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Then let me move on to the next Seva, that is Ashtadala Pada Padmaradhana. It is a weekly Seva performed to Lord Venkateshwara with 108 gold lotus petals. The reporting time is 8:30 am. Seva timings starts at 9 am and lasts for about 30 to 45 minutes. The ticket price is 1250 per person and about the Seva availability, it's only available on Tuesday. Then move on to the last Seva, that is Suprabhata Seva. Actually, the Suprabhata Seva is the first ritual at the Tirumala temple where Lord Venkateshwara is awakened with the chanting of 70 slokas. The reporting time is 2 am and the Seva timing starts at 3 am and lasts for about 30 to 45 minutes. The ticket price, it is 120 per person and the Seva availability, it is daily available. Now you understood all the details of 4 Sevas. Then click on the Select Seva and Date option. It displays all the Sevas, the dates and the number of tickets availability. Here first if you can see there is a Tomala Seva. As I already told, it's available only on 3 days, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. But each day only 10 tickets are available. So for a month only 120 tickets are available. If we move to the Archana, that is also the same as Tomala Seva, It is also available only on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. That to 10 tickets per day, and total for month is 120 tickets. If you move to the Ashtadala Pada Padmaradhana, it is only available on Tuesday with 60 tickets, and for a month it's about 240 tickets. If you come to the Suprabhata Seva, it's available daily, and each day it varies from 253 to 270 tickets. So for a month, so around 8,301 tickets will be released. So totally 8,781 tickets are released for a month. Based on the need, we can select whichever the seva we want and then click OK. Since the tickets are very limited and lot of people will be applying for this seva EDIP, so from my opinion, it's better to choose all the sevas and then click OK. Then click on Continue to Review button. It displays the page with general details, pilgrim details, and whatever the seva dates we have selected for review purpose. If you want to edit any information, here we can go and edit that information. If everything is fine, then click on Confirm and Submit button. So it displays a pop-up message saying you have been successfully registered for Seva EDIP. That's it, the process is completed. Click on that OK button. So it will display the date when the results will be announced. And also on the right side, you can see how much time is left for this Seva EDIP draw. Usually, the Seva electronic dip results will be announced on 20th or 21st of every month at 12 p.m. So you can see this whether you have been selected or not by logging into the TTD official site and then go to the home page and click onto the booking history link. It displays the select service option. Here you choose the Seva electronic dip option. Then it will display the details of booking. In that you can check the DIP status. Here it will be displaying if you have been selected as selected, or otherwise it will display as not selected. If selected, then you will receive an SMS with payment link. Using that, you need to pay for the tickets within 48 hours to confirm the booking. If you are selected, then it will allow you to book the accommodation. So the book accommodation link, it will be enabled. For booking accommodation, please refer the video link provided in the description. Offline Seva EDIP tickets for the next day can be registered in CRO office between 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. The automated randomized electronic dip is performed at 6 p.m. on the same day. The selected pilgrim receive an SMS confirmation by 6 p.m. Then you need to pay the amount before 11 p.m. on the day of lucky dip. Otherwise, it will lapse. So about the dress code, it's mandatorily a traditional attire where the men should wear dhoti and upper cloth and sari with a blouse for women. For Darshan, you need to show the original ID proof that is used for Darshan registration. They allow ID proof only Aadhaar or passport. For more informative videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to our channel.